Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel DB Chetri. This is class 10 ICSE mathematics. We are using Selina's ICSE mathematics books to solve chapter wise. We are learning 13 chapters, sections and midpoint formula. Exercise 13A. Today's session we are going to learn question number 15. Before going to start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share with your friend. For new updates video, please click bell icon. If you want to see others video, please click I button and go through the playlist. Okay, let me read the questions. So that the line segment joining the points, the point is given, is trisected. Trisected means three-pieced. Okay, three-pieced. Okay, three-piece. Okay, trisected means three peaks by the coordinate axis or not. Coordinate axis means one coordinate axis. These are called coordinate axis. X comma 0, then 0 comma y. If the one of the value is there, another one is 0, and this type of coordinates are called coordinate axis. Suppose example, if 5 comma 0, this is x-axis, okay, and 0 comma minus 3, this is y-axis. Okay, this type of coordinate is called axis. Okay, let's see whether this type of coordinate will get there or not. How to know? We must be get for x-axis, the one must be value, and the y in place of y is must be 0. For y-axis, y value is there, and in place of x, 0. Okay, and to solve this type of questions, always we need to draw the rough sketch, because we help to solve the questions easily and correctly. Okay, now let me draw the rough sketch. This is a line, then their joining point is given, the coordinates of a line is given, this is a point. Okay, this is a point, then one of the coordinate of point is minus 5 comma 8, then another point is 10 comma minus 4. Now this line is trisected, that means this line is going to break into three equal pieces. Okay, trisected means three equal pieces. Let's mark one piece is here, and then now count how many pieces are there. 1, 2, 3. Trisected means this line is going to be divided into three equal pieces. Okay, now let's mark this point is A, and this point is B, and this we can mark P, Q. Then question asks to find the coordinate of this trisected. Okay, then we don't know what is the coordinate of this trisected, that's why we are going to mark x, y, x, y. Okay, x, y, x, y we are going to mark. And how to get to find the coordinate, if the line joining the points, if the end points are given, to find the coordinate we need the ratio. Okay, in what ratio this point is there. Okay, we need the ratio. Then how to find the ratio from ourselves. Now look at here, then the P, the how many pieces is there from A to P, how many piece of line is there. Just look at here, from A to P, one piece. Okay, then from B to P, from left hand there is one piece there, and from right hand how many pieces are there. 1, 2, 2 pieces are there. That means 1 is to 2. Okay, 1 is to 2. And similarly, how to get the ratio for Q? Let's get the from this left hand how many pieces are there. 1, 2. That means from A this is 2. Okay, then from B how many pieces are there. 1. Okay, this way we have to find the ratio of the point. If the line is divided into 3 pieces, 4 pieces, 5 pieces, this way we have to find the ratio. After getting the ratio, let's do one by one. Let's do the first coordinate of P. Let's find the coordinate of P. Then after finding the coordinate of P, then we will get the coordinate of Q. Okay, we will get the one by one by using the section formula. If there is a ratio, okay, if the point is marked other than middle point, then always we need section formula to find the coordinate. Okay, now let's do one by one. I think you got the idea how to get the ratio from P. From A is 1 piece, B there 2 pieces, that means 1 is to 2. For Q, from this and A 2 piece, from B 1 piece, that's why 2 is to 1. Okay, Now let me redraw. This is A, B, then coordinate of A is minus 5, 8, and coordinate of B is 10 minus 4. Then let's find the first point. First point is P, and the coordinate of P is XY, and the ratio is 1 is to 2, and this is always marked as x1, this is y1, this is x2, y2. Now let's write the section formula, then substitute the value in the formula to get the coordinate of this unknown point P. Okay. Now you can find the coordinate of x, y together also by using the combined formula. Otherwise, let's do the separately and write, after getting the answer of x and y, write them together. Okay. Now let me find together P. The coordinate of P is x and y. Then according to the section formula, we already learned how to write the section formula. M1 x2. Remember, this is the main clue. If there is m, x must be 2. To find the coordinate of x, always write the x variable, and to find the coordinate of y, write the y variable. Okay. Then m2 x1 and divided by sum of ratio m1 plus m2, and similarly for y, because x and y is separated by comma, same way as separated by comma, and use the formula of y. Formula of y is m1 y2, then m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay. Now for x, this is the formula to find the coordinate of x, and in the x, this, remember, this only x variable is there. Product with the ratio y is separated by y, there is a y coordinate is there, product with the ratio and divided by the sum of ratio. Remember this formula, there is a clue, m1 2 2 1 like this. Okay, you can write any one first. Now after writing the formula, just substitute their value in this formula. Now let's substitute. Xy is not there, we are going to find this value of this xy. Now let's substitute. M1 is how much? This is the M1 and this is M2. M1 is how much? 1. Then 1. If there is no sign, means their relation is multiplication. X2 is how much? 10. Then in between plus sign is there. Then M2 is how much? 2 into X1 is there. X1 is how much? Minus 5 divided by M1 plus M2, that means 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. Then similarly, let's substitute here. M1 is 1. 1 multiply y2. y2 is minus 4. Then plus sign is there. M2 is how much? 2. 2 multiply y1. y1 is how much? 8 divided by M1 plus M2, that means 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. Okay. Now this is 10 minus 10 divided by 3. Okay, plus minus minus, 2 5 is 10. Then similarly here, minus 4, 1 into minus 4 is minus 4, plus 2 is 16 divided by 3. Now this is 0 divided by 3. Then this is plus 16 minus 4, almost 12. 12 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. And 0 divided by something is always 0. That means 0, 4. Now this is the coordinate of P is axis, y axis, because value of y is there and value of x is 0. That means this is called coordinate lie on the axis. Okay, to lie the point on the axis, one of the value must be 0. Remember, this is, if the one of the value is 0, that means these points lie on the axis. The y value is there, that means it lie on the y axis. Okay. Now similarly, let's do for the Q. Okay, let's do for the Q. Now I'm going to write the for Q. Okay, and how we did for P, similarly let's do for the Q. For that, again we need to draw. Okay, let me do continue from here. I'm going to drop this part. Others remain same. Now look at here. Because the for P we did here. Okay, now we are going to use same figure for Q because we dropped the P part. Okay, now just mark it as usual. Okay, just mark it as usual. Y1, this is xy, and x2, y2, and this is m1, m2. Now we'll use the formula to get the coordinate of Q. Now let's do it. Q is xy, and let me write the formula. We can write the combined formula. Otherwise, if you want to do separately, we can do separately. Okay, let's do here separately. Okay. For what is the formula for x? X is formula for this x is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by sum of ratio, that is m1 plus m2, and similarly write y equals to formula, same formula. This is this first formula for x equals to and y equals to second formula. If you do combinedly, it takes less time to get the answer together. If you do separately, it takes little bit more time, but you can do separately because it is less chances to make mistakes. Okay, now and this is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now what is the difference between this combined formula? If you find together, if you find separately, same formula is there, but we are doing separately here. Now after writing the formula, substitute the value. X is not there, x is not there. Let's get it. m1 is how much? 2 into what is there? x2 is how much? 10. In between what is there? Plus. Then m2 is how much? 1. Okay, m2 is how much? 1. Then m2, then x1 is how much? Minus 5 divided by m1 plus m2 means 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. Just substitute the value of each letter. Right. Then don't forget to mark the value of, okay, this is a very important, and always draw the line to do the questions easy way and correctly. Okay, then y is not there, and then m1 2, y2 is minus 4, then plus is there, m2 is 1, then y1 is 8. Okay, and divided by m1 plus m2, 2 plus 1. Now after substituting the value, we'll just simplify it. Okay, let's do the simplification. X is equals to 20, 2 10s are 20, plus minus minus, 1 5s are 5, divided by 3. Then x is equals to, this is 20 minus 5 is 15 divided by 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, then x is equals to 5. Okay, then let's do the simplify this for y parts. Plus minus is minus 8, then plus 1 is 8 divided by 3, and this is 0 divided by 3 equals to 0. Got it? Now right after getting the value of x and y, write together to represent the coordinate. Coordinate means the combined value of x and y separated by comma. Okay, then therefore coordinate of q is x is 5 and y is 0. That means it is also point lies on the axis. Which axis? Which value is present? X value is present, that means it lies on the x-axis. In this case, which value is present? Y. First value is x, second value is y. It lies in the y-axis, and this second point lies on the x-axis. Okay, then question asks to prove whether this is lie on the axis or not. Yes, it's lie on the axis. Therefore coordinates of trisection are P. This is P, this is P. P is how much? 0 comma 4, 0 comma 4, and Q is how much? 5 comma 0, which is divided by lie on the axis. Proved. How to know whether it's lie on the axis? Because one of the value is 0. If the one of the value is 0, that means this point line on the axis. Which variable is there? Y variable, that means it's lie on the y-axis. Which value is there? X variable, it's lie on the x-axis. Okay, and question asks to prove whether this lie on the axis or not. Okay, and remember for trisection, how to find the ratio we already learned. Please go through this video. After going through the video, try to solve other question. Question number 16 is also same. 14, 15, 16 same. I did one questions. After going this video, please try to solve question number 14 and 16. Okay, and question number 17 we will do in the next session. Till there, take care, stay at home, stay safe, and practice regularly. Thank you.